Hello little yogis. We are going to stretch, feel calm and strong. Let's go for this amazing session. Take a deep breath and let's start.
Be a strong tree, balance on one foot, reach up high. Sit like a little frog, elbows push, knees out. Round your back like a scared cat. Front knee bent, back leg long, crawl like a lizard. Be a strong table, tummy up, stay straight. Sit down, press your feet together and flutter your knees like butterfly wings. Lie on your belly, push up, be a proud cobra. Balance tall, one leg up, stay still like a flamingo. Lie on your back. Lift your legs up to the sky like a candle. Kneel down, bend back and reach for your heels like a proud camel. Forehead to the floor, stretch your arms, breathe calm. Sit down, lift your legs up and balance like a little boat on the water. Hands on the floor, body straight like a surfboard, hold it. Step your foot forward and stretch your back leg like a sneaky lizard. Stand tall, fold forward and try to touch your toes. Lie on your tummy, grab your feet and bend like a bow and arrow. Lie on your back. Lift your legs up and over your head like a plow. Hands and feet on the floor, push your bottom up high like an upside-down V. Sit back on your heels, arms forward, rest like a little baby. Sit Sit nice and tall, relax and breathe slowly.
Amazing work today, little yogis. I am so proud of you. Come back next time for a brand new yoga session, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one. See you soon.